In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax to any image in Wix Editor. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or a business website, using parallax can add a dynamic and engaging element to your site, making your designs pop with an extra layer of depth and movement. So, let's dive right into the process and guide you through adding parallax to your images in Wix Editor. First things first, open your Wix Editor and select the page where you want to add the parallax effect to your image. Don't worry if you're still new to this, the editor is quite user-friendly and intuitive. Once you have your page open, the next step is choosing or adding the image. Click on the Add button on the left-hand side of your editor. This will present you with a variety of options, including text, strips, images, and more. Navigate to Image, which gives you a choice to either use an image from Wix's extensive library or upload one from your computer. Now that you have your image in place, it's time to add that captivating parallax effect. To do this, click on the image and head over to the Change Strip Background option in the pop-up menu. If you don't see this option immediately, make sure you have a strip layout applied to your image, as the parallax effect relies on strip background configurations to work in Wix. Once you're in the Change Strip Background settings, look to the right side panel where you'll find an array of background options. Here, you'll see an option labeled Parallax. Simply click it to apply the effect, and just like that, you've added a parallax effect to your image. It's this simple yet powerful feature that can set your website apart by drawing more focus and engagement to key sections of your page. At this stage, you might want to preview your site to see the parallax effect in action. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button at the top right corner of your editor. This will simulate how the page will appear once the changes are published. Take a moment to scroll through and see the effect in action. It's always worthwhile to ensure it looks seamless with the rest of your design. Before you finish, don't forget to save your progress. Click on the Save button at the top of your editor. And when you are ready, go ahead and publish the site so that your changes go live. There you have it. A quick and straightforward way to add that eye-catching parallax effect to any image in your Wix editor. By enhancing your images with movement, you can create an engaging browsing experience for your audience, ensuring they keep coming back for more. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!